Greetings, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome to another video. Today we're doing a one-pot rice cooker recipe and we're making a curry. So we got all these ingredients here. I'll list everything in the description as well as, the recipe. And let's walk through how we put this together. So all these ingredients are pretty easy to find. We're starting off with some brown rice. So I'm going to take that and put that in my little strainer. And then I'm going to also put in some yellow split peas. You know, the kind that you make Canadian pea soup with. Yeah, you could also use red lentils, but the split peas are, I think, easier to find. And I sometimes use green split peas when I'm making a green curry. So you're going to pour that into the rice cooker. And then we have some vegetables. So these are vegetables. We have a stalk of celery, a carrot, and we're going to use half that onion. And we're going to magically cut those up and put those into our rice cooker. So just stick them on top. I got to come up with more recipes like this because I actually really like making stuff like this in the rice cooker. It's just so easy, and it's nice, yeah. And I'm not like a millionaire, so I don't have Instapot. Save this stuff to make broth with in the future. So next we're going to add in all of our seasonings. So we're going to start with, guess what? Curry powder. So we're going to just get whatever curry powder you really like, and you might want to add more or less depending on how spicy you like it. I'm also adding some extra ginger and some garlic powder and some sugar. So sugar kind of helps balance out the heat of the curry. I'm also going to add in a can of coconut milk. And we are also going to add in a can of water. So once you dumped out your coconut milk, go and fill that can back up with some water. You can also use broth as long as it's salt-free. And I'll get into why it should be salt-free later. So add that all together. You don't even have to stir it, and plug in your rice cooker. Don't forget to do that. Put the lid on it and click the button. So this started around a little bit before 7. It takes about an hour for it to cook, start to finish. So, about an hour later, it's going to be warm, and you're going to cut up some broccoli. And you're going to take that broccoli and put it on top of the cooked curry. You could use other green vegetables if you like. I just think broccoli's good. And you're going to put the lid back on and set it to cook one more time. This will be just a little while before it's all cooked. And when it clicks again, open it up and you can stir it up. And then we're going to add in a little element of salt. We're going to add in some soy sauce. So the reason why I'm adding the salty ingredient last is when you're cooking beans or lentils or peas, and even rice sometimes, it takes longer to cook when the water is salty. So if you add this stuff at the end, it'll be done sooner. Anyway, so yeah, this is my yummy one-pot curry. So this has been Nancy Plants, and if you enjoyed what you just watched, you should subscribe. Yeah, thanks.
Thanks for watching.